right, welcome to Fran's Flowers. Today's date is Friday, May 2nd. It's dusk when I'm showing you this because it's been so busy. We had such a great day. Look at these gorgeous geraniums. One of my favorite growers grows these. Right in time for Mother's Day weekend, we got roses on sale. Our native plant section is growing bigger every day. There's some great offerings here. We have some specialty plants. There's a pineapple plant and you can eat it. Hanging baskets for mom for next week. More perennials. Diploidemias, mandavillas. And I'm proud of our proven winner grande tables. They're always chock full of colorful annuals. We have plenty of herbs, plenty of tomato plants. If you buy your tomatoes now, you won't have to buy them from me later. And I'll leave you with this view and smell of these beautiful lilacs.